Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by verifying basics. Make sure your iPhone and Apple Watch are updated. iCloud requires the same Apple ID and two-factor authentication. Once done, open the Watch app on your iPhone and tap your profile. You need to confirm your Apple ID and enable iCloud services. This lets health, contacts, and backups sync to the watch. Do this now so the watch can inherit iCloud data. It's faster and avoids later conflicts when restoring or syncing apps and settings. Next, you configure which iCloud services the watch will use. On your iPhone, go to Settings, tap your Apple ID, then iCloud. Toggle Health, Contacts, Calendars, Photos, and Keychain as needed. This matters because the watch relies on the phone for many data types. Choosing only necessary services reduces sync time and storage use. Once toggled, return to the Watch app to confirm each Watch app has permission to access iCloud data. This step ensures continuity and that your Watch apps pull the right information. To finish, force a sync by restarting the iPhone and Apple Watch, then open the Watch app and check iCloud status and backup timestamps. If something fails, sign out and back into your Apple ID on the iPhone and re-enable iCloud. This refreshes authentication tokens. Make sure you're on reliable Wi-Fi and have two-factor prompts approved. Large items like photos and health data need stable connections. If problems persist, the key troubleshooting move is signing out /n of Apple ID, which often resolves permission.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.